Hey Wolfpack, good Monday morning. I'm meteorologist Sam Harris here in the NCSU Weather Center. And looking at our weather headlines for this week, our record October is finally coming to a close as we will see a cold front moving through today and tonight, and that'll lead to beautiful weather for the rest of the week. And we'll also talk about a hurricane that will be impacting Ireland and Scotland in the next few days. And so looking at our record October, between the nights of October 8th and 11th at RDU Airport, we saw the low temperatures only getting into the 70s. And to put that into perspective, we've only seen a handful of nights in October history that have had low temperatures in the 70s. And part of the reason for this is the remnants of Hurricane Nate were coming through during this time, and that led to higher moisture and more clouds over the area. And so that caused our low temperatures to not go down very much compared to our highs, which were close to 90 for most of the week last week. And so looking at Sam's fact of the day, last Sunday in western North Carolina, we had a pretty long track tornado that impacted regions from Cleveland County up to Ashe County. This tornado was also in association to Hurricane Nate, and it touched down just to the southwest of Shelby and then moved up into Burke County, crossing over I-40. And to give you a little perspective of where things are, in Buncombe County, this is Asheville, and over here in Mecklenburg County, we have Charlotte. So this storm went very close to the town of Lenoir in Caldwell County as an EF1 tornado, and then split the towns of Boone and Wilkesboro, and finally dissipated as we got into Ashe County. And the significance of this tornado was that it was the first ever tornado for any of these counties in the month of October, and also Ashe County and its higher elevations had the first tornado in recorded history going back to 1950. So as we look at another hurricane that might bring some issues to parts of Europe, we have a very rare hurricane here in the eastern Atlantic that will actually make landfall later today as a hurricane in Ireland and then go up into Scotland tonight as a tropical storm. And this hurricane on Saturday night, this hurricane became a major hurricane briefly, and so that was the furthest most east a major hurricane has formed in the tropical Atlantic. And this was the 6th major hurricane of the 2017 season, so that's now one off the all-time record of 7 set in 2005. And as well, this hurricane is the 10th straight tropical cyclone to become a hurricane in the Atlantic Basin, and that is unprecedented. So we will definitely remember this season for a long time to come. But going back to our area, today we will have a pretty dreary Monday as you will be waking up to showers in the area. You'll definitely want that raincoat and umbrella, as we'll have temperatures around 64. And then as we move into the afternoon time frame, we'll actually cool down a little bit into the lower 60s. And as we get into the later afternoon, we'll finally see those rain chances decreasing a little bit, but we'll still stay cool and overcast throughout the day today. And the reason for this is that cold front that is moving through the area, and that will exit the area by tomorrow. So tomorrow we will see this dome of high pressure start to take control. And so because of that, we'll see temperatures only in the mid-60s tomorrow. We'll finally see that real fall air mass moving in with much lower humidity, and we'll see very sunny skies. And that is the story throughout the week, as we will see temperatures slowly climbing throughout the week to the mid-70s by Thursday and Friday. But notice the nighttime lows with that drier air mass will cool down all the way into the 40s, and Tuesday night will go all the way to 43. From all of us at the NCSU Weather Center, have a great week.